You might think you can't have doubt to manifest, and that's incorrect. You might have a timeline for your desires. That's incorrect as well. See, you might be thinking it doesn't work for you or what is taking so long, but that's not how you should look at it. I'll give you a cool way to look at it in a moment. Because manifesting is more about becoming someone new with new thoughts, new actions through reprogramming your subconscious, because that's the real driver. You've been programmed for how many years? Exactly. Look at your life, your perspectives and beliefs formed as energetical strings. You need to untangle the knots inside of you so your internal reality flows from those strings in a more harmonious way. Because for all those years of life, you have had limiting beliefs turn into knots. And that is why you weren't able to maybe spot opportunities, or you couldn't execute the right thoughts because it was blocked. Or your energetical strings, they couldn't reach a person to force the synchronicity into your life. So that's why what you need is patience. Forget about the timeline. Focus on being the new person through assuming the new identity day by day, month over month. Because here's the thing, writing your affirmations, saying the affirmations out loud, meditating and visualizing the end state, it all works. I've been doing this for like 10 years manifesting, and I've manifested a lot of different things. So if I can tell you one thing is to have patience. Bigger things could just take more time. Like it could happen quickly, but if you want to manifest something huge, then you have to realize that it can take a little bit longer. Just have patience and don't give up, because it will work out, okay? Peace out, please. Keep your mind at ease. It's obvious.